Hi, I'm Elena, and I'm going to talk about Roald Dahl. Roald Dahl once said, "Children know he on their side." When Roald was just 3 years old, his father and one of his sisters died. Maybe this is why there is a lot of tragedy and cruelty in Dahl's books. The first room of the Roald Dahl in Museum, telling the story of the author's childhood, is entered found doors made from artificial chocolate. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, which was first published in 1964, is probably Dahl's most famous book. The story of little Charlie Booker has the fall of a Charles Dickens novel about it. His large family lives crammed into a shack by wooden cabin. Every day they have only cabbage soup and potatoes to eat. Little Charlie dreams of chocolate, and every day on his way to school, he has to walk past the biggest chocolate factory on earth. Roald Dahl has a sweet tooth himself and loves Kit Kat, chocolate bars, and Smarties. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory may be the best known of Dahl's book, but his own personal favorite was a different story, and one that Amanda Conkey like best. Well, that's all.